Welcome back to the channel, guys. Minaj Garage here once again, clear with Minaj Garage, and today we're gonna quickly spray this Crown Victoria, change the color, just a quick white. I'm tired of it looking like this right here. Outdoors, budget friendly. I just went to Blue Products West Palm Beach to pick up a few sandpapers that I had. A few sandpapers that I didn't have. You know what I'm saying? Came up to about what we got going on here. $16. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna get some. I'm on the way to Home Depot right now to get me some turbo cans. And we're gonna just get straight to it. Sorry for the shakiness of the camera because I'm driving right now. I almost forgot to start recording. I wasn't even gonna record. My girlfriend just reminded me. Anyhow, we got some content coming for you guys. Today, I'm going to change the color of this Crown Vic. Straight white, can spray, budget friendly. I'm just tired of looking at it like this. I got too much going on, too much cars. I don't want to spend on it, to be honest with you. It's a Crown Vic, guys. It's a Crown Vic. Let's shout out to you. Shout out to the walk-in budget friendly guys, man. The DIY guys. Anyhow, this is what we're going to be doing. I'll be back. Show you the Crown Vic state of condition right now. I've been sanding it. I don't know if you know, but I'm going to add a link to the video. If you guys go back in my videos, I tried to paint it. A friend convinced me to paint it with the roller paint. And I started, but I never continued because it was just the texture. I just decided to leave it alone. So what we're gonna do is, I really want to hit it with a compressor, but we got some content coming for you guys with this. So this is what we're going to do. Can spray. I have about 3 cans home, 3 white cans. I'm gonna just use that for like a base and just try to waste that on. But I'm gonna try to do this with 2 turbo cans, guys. I'm gonna try to do this with 2 turbo cans, you know, the big widespread fan ones. And you guys gonna see the results, man. Oh, and clear. I'm probably not gonna clear today, but we're definitely gonna white this Crown Victoria today on a budget. So there you have it, guys. We'll be back. Minaj Garage here with another video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell, hit the comment section, leave a comment, go check out the shorts. I got shorts for days. Pure entertainment, car, motorcycle, whatever you want, it's there on the shorts, guys. And stay tuned. We'll be back. Here we are, guys. This is the current state and condition of the Crown Victoria. Like I said, I was standing already. Certain places are really smooth, but this right here, oh, you could kind of see it. Over there is kind of sanded. I really needed some different sandpaper, but we're kind of halfway there when it comes to having the car smooth. I'm not really going too crazy because I am gonna spray the car again, but with the correct way, but just for content purposes and whatnot. We're going to shoot this all white with can spray. Okay, guys, as you can see, I mean, we ain't have that much. We don't have that much sanding to do, and we're doing it. You know what I'm saying? I covered up the taxi or police interceptor, the siren hole, the mounts or whatever. I did take off the side, whatchamacallit, and I'm gonna just leave that hole open for right now. I'm undecisive on if I want to put it back on or not. As you guys can see, I have a little dent here. Might take off the wheel and pong it out. I'm not sure. Might just spray over it. But yeah, guys, this is the current state and condition of the Crown Victoria. As you can see, We're not that bad. We're not that far from the finished product of getting it all smooth. The bumpers, I think I'm gonna just might just 600 them. The front one I've been kind of working on. Yeah, the front one about ready. But yeah, we're out here by Home Depot, by the way, guys. So I'm about to go get these 2 turbo cans. About to go get me some breakfast after that, and that because when I might take out the lights and stuff, and I'm taping all this off. So and the windows. So I'm not planning on going anywhere for the rest of the day. So I'ma get me something to eat, and by the time when this car starts again, she's gonna be a whole different color. Right now it's on white. Like I said, I tried to, well, for content purposes, you know what I'm saying, I was roller painting it, but that shit was just as you can see, if I kept sanding it, I could have got it smooth, and then, you know what I mean, probably buff it out and then get a couple more coats till I got it right, you know what I'm saying. But waste of time, man. I'ma just turbo can that bit, and we're gonna go from there, man. Tape off all the windows, all the mirrors, and we'll be good to go. So went to Home Depot, we got the 2 cans. That should be enough. We spent about $34.20. And yeah, so we spent about $16 in glue products for the sandpaper. I already have acetone, and I have everything else. You might have to spend a little more because you don't have everything. I got tape, got me some newspaper, stuff like that to tape up. And yeah, about to go get me some breakfast, and then we working all day. Okay guys, apart from the sandpaper and the turbo cans, I did went and pick up this from the dollar store, microfiber towel, for about $5, and we'll get started. First, what I think I am gonna do is just tape off what I can, because I hate taping. So I'm gonna try to tape up as much as possible. I think I'm gonna hit these white. I think I might just turn these white. Save me some trouble with taping and all that stuff. And we'll go from there. I'm gonna tape up a little bit. And yeah, I'm gonna tape up. And we'll go from there. Shit, I guess we skipped a couple steps, guys, but this is where we are. I didn't tape it up 100%, as I'm gonna just get rid of that on the glass afterwards. I did take out the backlight and the mechanism with the license plate holes and stuff like that. So this is what we got going on right now. This is the stage we at. I did decide to change the color of the door handles. Just decided to touch it up with the can a little bit, see what it's talking about. We looking pretty alright. Yeah, looking pretty alright, guys. I am going to, I don't know, continue. I'm just trying my best with the tape stuff and stuff like that, guys. I'm really not trying to spend much time and money, and well, I'm gonna make it look nice, but I ain't really putting in that much effort, to be honest with you guys. You know what I'm saying? Sun beating, it's hot. We're looking alright. Back at Home Depot again, guys. It's currently 9 p.m. and we need us another turbo can. So it's gonna be, the car is gonna be in total 3 of these. I need me another one too. But I'm not gonna get, I'm gonna get this. I'm not gonna get the widespread one. I need this for little areas. I'm gonna get that. I really would have liked that in the primer. But it is what it is. All right, guys. We gotta get some more paint. I thought I could have covered it, but nah, it didn't. I'm gonna paint the grill and the thing in the back a different color. But this is where we at right now. All can spray. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna spray the same color as the grill. So we're looking pretty good. Wasted all the cans at Home Depot, coming for some other cans. I'm gonna wipe the glass. I ain't really worried about that. I was having a little issue. Yeah, I was kind of lazy taping up. It was hot as shit. So I'm gonna wipe this hair off. No big deal. I ain't worried about the glass. I still gotta do these hair, this, the roof, partially some of the hood, and just touch it up as you can see, guys. Certain areas. You know what I'm saying? I do gotta touch it up. You know what I'm saying? Work in progress. I apologize for not showing you guys the whole entire process. I just kind of like got in gear and just got in my mode and just kept it going. But this is where we at right now. I don't know if I'm gonna clear it. I doubt it, cause it's just a quick thing for right now, man. I just was tired of it, looking at how it was looking. We got a few imperfections from the prep work due to the fact that yeah, man. So this is how we looking. Still got a long way to go. We are about say 75-80% done. We're gonna get the roof, and the thing is, I'm gonna try to figure it out, but I might take off the hood and the trunk, because it is it gives you hell when you turn in the can vertically to the hood, the bonnet, and it just sprays out weird, as you guys know. Spray out gas if you guys ever did this before, rather than the paint. But we're gonna figure it out. This is what we got going on right now. You know what I'm saying? We gotta do the bottom right here. Missed that. You know, missed a little area here. How the car was sitting, I ain't really had access to the back like that too. But it's a work in progress. I ain't hiding nothing from you guys.